Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can find and also download anime clips for your video editing. So if you guys looking for some material clips for your video editing, you can follow the steps that I'm about to tell you. So first, just go to your browser, and then here just type in this address or this keyword, Hi Twixters, and then after that just click on this website right here, and you'll find lots of anime clips that you can use for your video editing. So for example, I want to download this one. Okay, just click on clips and scroll down until you find the download option. Okay, here is the download link. Just click on download and the file will be open like this. Then you can just click on the three dots icon at the top and click on download to start downloading the video. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment if you have any question, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.